Many people have been asking me this very particular question regarding trading the crypto, which is the BTC, which is Bitcoin itself. Now, since Donald Trump won the US election, we have seen spike in price of Bitcoin, and honestly, it's growing by the day. And many people nowadays wanted to go into Bitcoin trading in order to maybe earn some money. And Bitcoin, it's very, very lucrative. Okay, it's something you can invest your money on, and then it keep growing by the day. I've seen someone who invested about $100 on Bitcoin, and in 4 years, that's about $16,000 according to him. That is to say, if you can, do a little bit of investment on Bitcoin, you will start making money. In this very particular channel, we talked about Bitcoin trading, how you can make money from Bitcoin generally and make your life a successful one. Everyone wanted to know how to pay his or her bills, and it's very, very important you learn that. This video is packed with a lot of information, so I want you to stick around and make sure you watch the video to the end, because if you leave so early, honestly, there's no doubt you are going to miss the major reason why you're watching this video. So please stick around and make sure you watch it to the end. In today's video, I will be sharing with you exactly how the process step by step in order for you to learn how to invest on Bitcoin. And this video is packed with a lot of information. And I don't want you to leave so early, because if you do, honestly, there's no doubt you are going to miss the main information in this video. If today's the first time you are seeing me, my name is Joseph Benson. Please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn on the bell notification for all notifications, and like and share this video with family and friends. Welcome to Joe Crypto Trend, because in this very particular channel we talked about crypto, how you can make money investing on crypto and make your life a successful one, right? So I don't want to waste much of your time. I think it's time for me to dive into my desktop, where I will be sharing with you how you can start investing on crypto right now in order to make more money. I will be sharing with you a trading bot that you can easily use right now that is available on nearly all the country to make more money, right? Let's dive into this. If you come here, you can see, yes, I am on Binance.com, which is the best platform for crypto investment or so on. You can use that if maybe your crypto platform have these options. And again, I will be coming up with video back to back. That is the major reason why you need to subscribe, so you never miss any of my content, okay? Keep that in mind, very, very important. So what you need to do here is simple. I want you to come to, once you log in, once you register your account and logged in, remember, the link to register your account right now is 100% available in the video description below. If you use my link to register right now as I am talking to you, you will be entitled to so many incentives, and that is the major reason why I want you to use my link, okay? Keep that in mind. So first thing first, I want you to come to trade, and if you come to trade, you should see different options here, from spot trading to margin to P2P, which is peer-to-peer transaction, to convert and block trade, to trading board, to copy trading, and the API. Honestly, I will be coming up with copy trading, how you can start copy trading on Binance.com. It's very, very important you keep that in mind. I'll be teaching you step by step what is Binance.com copy trading and how you can stick to it and make a whole bunch of money. Don't forget, this channel is about crypto trading, how you can invest on crypto to make money. Honestly, I am not a financial advisor, but any information I drop in this video is now all up to you to look into it and be ready to take the risks if you think you can do that. Keep that in mind also. Now, all you have to do right now, click on Trading Board. Once you click on Trading Board, this is going to go to the next page where we are going to be seeing trading board, different trading board, if we can invest on them and make money. And then you're going to see the whole thing step by step, how much you need to invest on them and so on. I've been using this in the past, and up till this day, I'm still using it because I have more than one account, okay? So if you come here, you can see there are a lot of information here that I want you to see, right? And let me just make this daylight because this is what I want, okay? Now, look at the total invested amount of money. This is about trillions of dollars or billions of dollars, okay? Yeah, this is about 51 billion. Yeah, this is it. This is it. 51 billion, $757 million, okay? Now, all you have to do, I want you to look at right now is the auto invest. The auto invest is the only thing I want you to look at right now. You can easily click on create, and also you can go to the marketplace and look at the kind of different trading bot that you can start copying right now. You can go to spot grid if you want. You can go to arbitrage if you want. You can see there's lots and lot of currency you can start copying right now. The robot will be trading for you automatically while also making money for you on automations. Please keep that in mind. So if I go to future grid, you're going to see the other trading bot that you can start copying right now. right? You can start copying this trade right now as I'm telling you right now in this video. So let's assume I wanted to go to auto invest. I'll click on auto invest and create my trade without any problem. So if I click on auto invest, I can click on create trade, and then another tab will open where I will make sure your account is funded. Make sure you fund your Binance before ever clicking on auto invest, and after that you can go ahead and start investing your money, right? Good. So now you can see discover new portfolio and futures. Okay, now we are on the auto invest tab, and these are my past few trade that I was teaching people on how to do, because I have a lot of students all over the world. I teach them how to trade crypto and so on. And if you want me to teach you step-by-step guide on how to trade crypto on a maybe one-on-one, just let me know. And on WhatsApp, which my WhatsApp number and my Telegram link is very much available in the video description below. Okay, so if you come here, you can see, yeah, you can decide to do whatsoever you want to do right now by coming to portfolio. Those are my auto invest plan that I have in the past. You can see Joe sold and $10, $6, and so on. Now you can come here and click on create plan. Look at the cryptocurrency you think you want to create plan on, and you can click on create plan. Now, since Donald Trump won the election, you can see that there's a spike in price of Bitcoin. And remember, Bitcoin is very, very liquid, and the price is rising almost every single day. So I think you can also utilize this as an opportunity to invest on Bitcoin and to make your life better, right? You can do that. So you can come here and click on create plan. If you click on create plan, another pop-up window is going to appear where you can put the plan name here. You can select the coin you want to invest. This 100% simply means you want to use the total balance in your account, and you can see the minimum amount per period you want to invest. You can also add it here, and this is very, very important. You want to select how frequent you want to start trade. You want to be investing this money. Is it every day something, or is it weekly, or is it monthly? You can also select this from these very particular settings. I am creating this video to make sure that you guys understand the whole thing step by step. In return, I want you to subscribe, like, and share this video with family and friends. It will help me a lot. Honestly, guys, this is very, very important. Okay, so all you have to do, you click here and you can come here and look into the crypto, which one you think you want to select. You go ahead and select this crypto, and you are frequency. Is it daily, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, and so on? So you can select also, if you like, you can even make it once. You can make it 1 hour, and that's it. It's all up to you to select what time is best for you. Then after that, you click on next, and then the specific time you set, the bot is going to deduct from your account balance and start trading with it, and you can stand a chance to make a whole bunch of money every single day. But one good thing about crypto investment is that you can forget about it and come back later and see the price increase to the top. Honestly, this really makes sense. Okay, so you can also select the crypto type you want here. Okay, you can select any one of it here that you want, and you can go ahead and click on next and so on. So this will truly bring me to the end of the video, and I want you to pay attention to every detail. I'll be linking one other video somewhere around here. This video is very, very important, and I want you to watch this video to the end. Watch the video and tell me what you learned from this video. It's very, very important. Make sure you watch this video. Thank you once again for your time. I really appreciate you sitting back to watch this wonderful video to the end. If you have any question you want me to know, let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with family and friends. I'll see you guys on the next one. But until then, I want to say bye.